So what you do is sit in a 5-point posture, as we have explained previously. So basically, this is a 5-point posture. And in this case, you can choose between opening eye, like being open your eye, or close and rest your eye. Whatever you feel comfortable. But the main point is bringing a full attention of your mind to the stillness of the body, from the sole of the feet until to the crown. For example, right now, I'm almost like a scanning from my sole of the feet. I'm feeling foot, my leg, middle part of my body, my chest, my head, my arms and shoulders, as a whole, totality, from the sole of the feet till the crown. I see, I feel the stillness. So I am seeing it. If that doesn't make sense, I am feeling it, the stillness. I am aware of that stillness. That's the connection. My mind is connected to the stillness of my body. There's a connection there. I'm aware of that connection. Oh, I lost the connection. And my mind is gone out and is thinking about something else. I recognize that. I bring my attention back to my body. Now I am again aware of the stillness of my body. Not only am I aware, I'm resting, I'm connected, I'm continuously connected. Oh, once again, I lost it. So you lose it. Very important, be aware that you lost it. Bring it back. Reconnect, rest, continue. So you repeat this, like kind of constantly watching that you're not try not to lose it. And when you do lose it, bring it back and reconnect, continue. So you're constantly repeating this exercise. Maybe in half an hour, if you have to do, 15, 20 times, you do it. So maybe today you begin the practice in how you are trying to do a half an hour. In half an hour, you are repeating this back and forth 10 times. And a week later, you are doing a half an hour. Maybe you don't have to repeat at all. In half an hour, in one shot, you can go without any disconnecting. That's how gradually you are able to become familiar, grow, and stabilize in that connection of the stillness of your body. So that's how you do it. And then gradually, so this is like a dual, like a subject-object dual calm abiding, Zhine. And gradually what will happen is that you begin to feel less duality, less separation. The mind who is focusing on the stillness of the body, it's not feeling that it is separate from that stillness of the body, but rather it's beginning to feel the stability within itself, within the mind itself. even without sometimes support of the body, of the stillness of the body, it's just feeling mind itself, feeling still. I'm not focusing on the body specifically. I am feeling still myself. My mind is feeling still in itself. So that sense of stability becomes less dependent on the stability of the body, more independent and stability and freedom of mind itself. So you can, every now and then you can taste that a little bit after some time. That means you are becoming more like one with the mind. And then at some point you feel completely that, like maybe one moment of the meditation you feel completely that you are right in that unchanging stillness of the body. Unchanging the stillness of the mind. So you are completely feeling changeless stillness in your mind without depending on the stillness of the body. You completely realize the inner stillness, the stillness of the mind, the stillness of your being, the stillness of yourself. So you feel totally still. No movement, confusion, challenges around can interfere that inner stillness of your being. Wow, that's a beautiful experience.